Well, hello, everybody. Welcome to my Recruiting Collective community. With this community, remember, you're going to be provided a monthly gift and a smart plan, as well as we are going to be hosting a live monthly call mastermind, objection handling, bring your toughest questions and leads. We'll work through that. And we are going to be sharing with you kind of the mofo of the moment, the content that's working effectively for the month. So with this month's gift, Jessica, take it away and show us the open house playbook.
Yeah, so this open house playbook works in tandem with smart plans that we already have ready to go for you, both in Command and Command MC. So give this playbook either in person or digitally as a sneak peek to our step-by-step how to make money doing an open house. So many agents need this training out there because it's been a long time, right? Since we've used open houses, hasn't it, Rich?
Yes, so now this open house playbook that they're going to receive is going to be customized with their information and their picture. We are going to provide that for you, your own custom piece. So share with them, Jessica, how a team leader, how a recruiter would use this playbook in their recruiting.
Well, first of all, there is smart plans ready to go in both Command MC and Command called Open House Pop By Recruiting. So you can activate this plan and turn this plan on to anyone that's hosting an open house this weekend. The only thing you're going to need to change is the actual link to the playbook will be yours. So it'll be customized to you specifically. And we even prompt you to give a call, what you might say on the call, and then a few follow-up touches as well. So you are ready to go with this playbook. You can either deliver it in person, or simply just turn on this smart plan and follow up with calls the following Monday. So it's a really killer idea.
Awesome. So remember, in Recruiting Collective, our goal is to be providing you value every single day. Go to our Facebook page every single month with the gift and the smart plans. And it's about content, intel, and access. So don't forget about our live monthly mastermind that we're going to be hosting as well.
We've got so much fun coming up with these events because we're going to role play live situations. So join us and can't wait to have you on my Recruiting Collective.
Have a great day, everybody.